हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हम आ गए हैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का एक बढ़िया सा आर्टिकल लेकर के, दैट इज हाउ वी डिराइव द फॉर्मूला ऑफ a plus b angles. First we start with the basic of class 10th. You know, in a circle, if this one is the origin 0 0 and any point xy on the circumference, then how we derive the formula of circle? First, let r be the radius. 0 0 to xy distance is fixed. R xy move anywhere, but distance r remain, radius remain as it is. So what's the formula we'll derive? X minus 0 the whole square, y minus 0 the whole square. Distance formula, it is nothing but r if r is the radius. That means x square plus y square is nothing but r square. Correct? This is the first important formula when circles center at 0 0 and radius equals to r. Now tell me, if r equals to 1, if r equals to 1, then we have x square plus y square equals to 1 because radius equals to 1. Hence, the coordinates of this one, since radius is 1, center is 0 0, this coordinate is 1 0, this one is 0 1, this one is minus 1 0, and this one is 0 minus 1. This is the first important point when we understand this concept of circle like this. The second concept is parametric form. What is parametric form of the circle? If this one is x, this one is y, and radius is r, you know simple trigonometry of class 10th. X divided by r equals to cos theta, you know, base upon hypotenuse. Hence, x equals to r cos theta. Very clear? Similarly, y divided by r equals to sin theta. So y is nothing but r sin theta. X and y in terms of theta are said to be parametric form of the circle. Why it is parametric form of the circle? If we substitute here the value of x and y, what we are getting? See, x means r cos theta, y means r sin theta, and its square. Take r square common. What we are getting? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Yes, because it is 1. So these points are said to be parametric points, parametric coordinates of a circle. Now tell me today's point where we are coming to. When r equals to 1, since we are taking the circle with radius 1, then x is 1 cos theta, y is 1 sin theta. And this is our major point. This x and y is nothing but cos theta, comma sin theta. This is our major point where we want to start our today's trigonometry formula of a plus b angles. So important point, this is cos theta and sin theta. Now you know theta equals to L by R. We have already developed the formula. Theta C is L by R, and if theta is 1, if this theta equals to 1 radian, then 1 radian, that is L by R. Or in other words, what we say, L equals to R. Now tell me, if we are taking 1 as radius, theta C, then this one is also, what is? Theta. Why? Because L equals to R. R is 1, then L is 1, then theta is also 1. 1 radian definition. So if this one is theta, then this one is also theta. Because radius is 1, radius is 1. If you put radius is 1, then what is L? Theta C. So here we write theta C equals to L when r equals to 1. Very simple, and we are using this concept in today's derivation. So what simple things we have completed? First, the equation of the circle in parametric form. It means coordinate of x and y are nothing but cos theta and sin theta. First point. Second point, we have a formula of theta c equals to L by R. When r equals to 1, unit circle, when r equals to 1, theta is same as L. That's why theta is same as L. This length is theta length, this one is also theta. Now we are using the same concept here in. So now we come to the major point of today's lecture. That means we want to derive the formula of A plus B angles, A minus B. Suppose angle LOP equals to A radian. Angle POQ equals to B radian. And angle LOR equals to minus B radian. Why minus B? Because we are going clockwise. Very clear. When radius is 1, this one is A radian, you know theta c equals to L by R. When R equals to 1, here suppose it is AC, then the length of arc is nothing but A. Similarly, here the length of arc is B, and here the length of arc is modulus of minus B, because it is length and theta c is always positive. That's why this one is also B. So the length of arc we have A, B and B. Now tell me, if we want to write it in the coordinate form, like just we have completed the parametric form, then this P coordinate is nothing but, since it is A, this is cos A sin A. Very clear. A angle plus B angle. So from the line OL, this total angle is A plus B. So what about this coordinate? Cos A plus B, comma sin A plus B. Very clear. Similarly, this coordinate is cos minus B, sin minus B, because we are the negative, clockwise. Cos minus B and sin minus B. So now we have all the three coordinates P, Q and R. Now, what is the value of L to Q? L to Q, if we join it, and if we join P, Q to R, what we are getting? This total arc is A plus B. Which arc? Arc QL. A plus B. And arc PR. Arc PR is again A plus B. Yes or no? This one is absolute B, and A plus B and A plus B. It means, what we say, if we join, then triangle OPR congruent to triangle OLQ. Correct? So this complete triangle is congruent with this complete triangle, since the angles are A plus B and angles are A plus B. Radius and radius, radius and radius by 9th class. Which article? SAS. So triangles are congruent. It means, which implies the chord LQ equals to the chord PR. Yes or no? And you know the distance formula from class 10th. If we write it, LQ square equals to PR square. And what is LQ square? L coordinate is 1, 0. Q coordinate is here. So we can write it in the form of 1 minus cos A plus B whole square, 0 minus sin A plus B the whole square. Simple distance formula LQ. Coordinate 1, 0 to this coordinate. Simple. Equals to the second P to R, cos A minus cos of minus B whole square, and sin A minus sin of minus B whole square. Yes or no? What is cos of minus B? We have already completed. is in the quadrant number 4th. Cos and sec always positive. That's why this cos b we can write in simple way, cos a minus cos b the whole square, and here sin a minus minus plus sin b the whole square. Why it will become plus? Because sin of minus b is sin b of minus. So minus and minus plus. And this side it is 1 minus cos a plus b the whole square. And here it is sin a plus b square. Why? Because minus square is simple. Now we have to expand and get the result. So how we expand? See, 1 minus. So here we write 1 minus 2 cos a plus b plus cos square a plus b plus sin square a plus b equals to cos square a cos square b minus 2 cos a cos b plus sin square a plus sin square b plus 2 sin a sin b. Simple, expanding the whole square, and we are getting this one. Now tell me, what is cos square theta plus sin square theta? 1. So 1 and 1, 2. So we have 2 minus 2 cos a plus b. And right hand side, cos square a and sin square a, 1. Cos square b and sin square b, 1. Minus 2 cos a cos b plus 2 sin a sin b. Now you know from simple trigonometry, sin b. Simple trigonometry, this 1 and 1 2 and here again 2 will cancel out. Yes or no? Minus, minus, if it will take minus 2, remaining things equals to minus 2 cos a cos b plus 2 sin a sin b. We want to calculate only cos a plus b. It means we have to divide by minus 2. So cos a plus b equals to, if we divide by minus 2, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. The most important article of class 11th trigonometry, how we derive the formula of cos a plus b as cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Very clear? Now small change. If you put b as minus a, suppose b we convert as minus b, what we are getting? Cos a minus b, cos a cos minus b, sin a sin of minus b. What we are getting? Cos a cos b. Why cos b? Cos of minus b is cos b, fourth quadrant. Minus minus plus sin a sin b. Why sin b? Fourth. So cos a minus b is nothing but cos a cos b प्लस sin a sin b. याद क्या रखना है कि जब ये प्लस है तो बीच में आता है माइनस, और जब ये माइनस है तो बीच में आता है प्लस, और दोनों cos cos पहले sin sin बाद में, cos cos पहले sin sin बाद में. इजी? चलो और आगे चलो. Now cos formula is with us. Now we want to convert it into sin. You know from class 10th complementary angle system. Very simple. Cos a plus b, but we want sin. So you know sin 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. Yes or no? Cos a plus b means sin 90 minus, or cos 90 minus is sin a plus b. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta from class 10th. So this pi by 2 minus a, if I'll write here a small change, suppose pi by 2 minus as a and minus b. This one is a and this one b. Now we expand by this. What we are getting? Cos a, cos b, cos a, cos b plus sin a, sin b. Now what is cos 90 minus theta? Again 10 plus. Sin A cos B. Sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. So what we are getting, a good formula of sin A plus B is nothing but sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. क्या डिफरेंस है इसमें? एक साइन तो एक कॉस तो एक साइन, इसमें प्लस तो बीच में प्लस, माइनस तो माइनस. सो वन मोर for sin A minus B. Similarly, you can derive sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Very, very important forms. Sin A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B. Now using sin and cos, you know what is tan? A small change again. We'll have formula of tan and cot. So tan A plus B is nothing but sin A plus B divided by cos A plus B. You know the formula of sin. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B divided by, what is cos A plus B? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Our aim is to convert each one in terms of tan. So divide numerator and denominator by cos A cos B, because we want to make tans. So if you divide by cos A cos B, what we are getting? Tan A. Divide by cos A cos B, tan B. Divide by cos A cos B, 1. Divide by cos A cos B, tan A tan B. Very important formula, tan A plus B. कितना जल्दी जल्दी डिराइव हो रहे हैं देखो. एक फॉर्मूला स्टार्ट हुआ, सारे आते जा रहे हैं आगे आगे. If it is tan minus B, a small change. For every B, put minus B. So what we are getting? Tan A minus tan B, 1 plus tan A tan B. क्यों? B यहाँ minus B लगेगा. And fourth quadrant, tan of minus B is minus tan B. Tan of minus B is minus tan B. Answer. So here we'll give the two more forms, tan A plus B and tan A minus B. And for today's lecture, the last point is cot A plus B. Cot A plus B we can write as cos A plus B divided by sin A plus B. लिख सकते हैं. और cos A plus B फॉर्मूला अभी अभी डिराइव किया है. What we can write? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What is sin A plus B? Sin A cos B cos A sin B. This time our aim is cot. It means we want everywhere cot cot cot. So here we can write divide by sin A sin B to numerator and denominator. See what we are getting. Divide by sin A sin B. Cot A cot B minus 1. Divide by sin A sin B. Cot B plus cot A. So is there one more new formula of cot A plus B. If you want cot A minus B, a small change you know very well. Shift B to minus B. What we are getting? Cot A minus B. This will become cot A as it is, but cot of minus B, again fourth quadrant. Cot of minus B and cot A. Now tell me, what is cot of minus B? Minus, so cot A cot B. Divide by minus cot A. So finally we can write in the proper form. If we take minus is common, we are getting 1 plus cot A cot B. And here if we take minus common, it is cot B minus cot A. Clear? and this minus and minus cancel out. So here the formula is 1 plus cot A cot B divided by cot B minus cot A. But here cot A cot B minus 1, cot B plus cot A. Clear? So in this way we have derived all the addition formulae. This method I feel is better for you because circle is in our course. In some books they derive this formula by taking similarity. You can derive by that one also. So in this way आज का होमवर्क क्या हुआ, आपको लर्न करने हैं डेरिवेशन एज वेल एज एडिशन के फॉर्मूले. किस किस के? साइन, कॉस, टेन, कॉट, a plus b and a minus b. It means today's homework is you have to learn 8 formulae. Correct? So next we'll start the problems based on these forms. तब तक टेक केयर. और हाँ, जिन्होंने अभी तक चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें और लाइक तो करना ही है. टेक केयर.